Okay, YouTube, this your boy Mark for Loose Screw Reviews, back again another video. And today, I'll be doing a review of some brand new true wireless earbuds from a company called MPOW. And you know how we do. Before we get started, let's get all this business and politics out of the way. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, tell a friend. Stay tuned towards the end of the video. I'll give you some information about the giveaway on the channel. Alright, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right here. Too easy. It's free, don't cost you anything, don't take much energy, just go ahead and click it. Alright, now we got all that business and politics out of the way. Let's get to the video. Okay, we got the MPOW M10 True Wireless Earbuds. Here's the package, get you a little close up at the package. On the packaging it says MPOW, Dream, Explore, Inspire. The MPOW M10 True Wireless Earbuds. They kind of in the style of like AirPod style type of True Wireless earbuds with the stems on there. But they're pretty decent, Just basic earbuds. I'm not sure about the price, but I'll leave the link to this in the description box where you can pick them up from. Cause I want to say they're under $50, but like I said, I'm gonna leave a link in the description box where you can check them out. But yeah, these are another true wireless earbuds. You got the 3D sound on here, one step pairing, up to six hours on the buds, and then 20 hours with the case. Let's see here on the side of the box, it tells you again 3D stereo sound, one step pairing, 6 to 8 hours. 6 hours to 24 hours with the case. 4 microphones with noise canceling and AQE. Alright, here's the back of the box. You can pause this and read it for yourself. It says that Bluetooth 5.0, charging time is 1.5 hours. Operation within 33 feet. I think I got like about 30 feet or something like that. I'm not sure, because I already had them out of the box, checking them out, playing with them this week. So, and charging, let's see, 5 volt, 1 amp, and also there's not a wireless charging case. I checked out, not a wireless charging case. Music talk time, music 6 hours, talk time plus 20 hours talk time. Wireless profile, like I said, you can pause it and read it for yourself. All this good stuff on here, a little dirt on here, whatever. But that's it for as far as the box. Let's go ahead and get them out of the box so you can see what you get in the box. Hope everybody's having a good and blessed day. Take them out of the box and see what we got. And this is like a look like a peach or rose gold color looking. I'll set this to the side. You got your little and this disclaimer, this was sent to me by good friends over at MPOW, so I'm not getting paid or anything for this, you know, just my honest opinion on the earbuds or whatever. So just wanted to bring this to you guys, let you guys know that, you know, just, you know, they know bias. I'm just, hey, just give my honest opinion. They sent this to me for review, so you guys can check it out and see what you think. Alright, got your instruction booklet, you got a little reminder card, you got your 2-year warranty. That's pretty cool, 2-year warranty. Alright, going to put that stuff to the side. And then you got some replacement ear tips right here. You got 2 sets of ear tips. Got small, medium, and large. And I switched the tips out already. Let me take them out here so you can see what the tips look like. Because I already switched them out. I had to put the larger ones on there. So these are the mediums. Those are the mediums right there. And these are the small tips. Alright, I'm going to place them off to the side right here. Also, what you get in here, you get a little charge cord. And I'm happy to say that it is micro USB-C. It is USB-C. So they're stepping up the game with USB-C charging, alright? Small, it's a small little charge cord, but it is USB-C. So that's a good look, alright? Put that to the side. Alright, let's see what else we got. Alright, nothing else. Got the buds, got the case. This is a nice looking case. You can see I had them out, I had a little dust because I had them out. On the case, you can see you got the well, I don't know, my light is blind. He's got the little MPOW branding on there. That's a good look, good little touch. You got your little LED indicator light right here. Also on the bottom, Got a little some more little information, some specs information on here. And on the back, you got your USB-C charging slot. This is where you put that. Bam, you're good to go. Too easy. Then you got your little power button right here, also used for pairing. So you press that, go ahead and make sure you got everything paired up, whatever. You got a reset button or whatever. Open up the case. Did you see that LED light came on? When open the case, let me close it back. You see that green LED light? Open back up. Bam. So as soon as you open it, it'll pair to the device. So, or it's a simple, earbuds, not a bunch of fancy features, no apps and like that, but they do the job. One thing I did notice though, I was using them. Let me go ahead before I even get too further. Let me go ahead and take out the buds itself so you can check out the buds. You see what they look like. I don't have any Apple AirPod Pros or AirPods to compare them to, but this is what they look like. I'll give you a close up on here. And on the bottom right here, let me see if I can get a little closer where you can see it. Come on, focus. You probably can't see it because it's here, but right here is where it'll tell you if you got the right bud or left bud. And notice when you put them in the case, they go in reverse. Like here's the case, the right earbud goes on the left, and the left earbud goes on the right. A little confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it's all right. So put the right one in there, and put the left one in there, and they're held in by a magnet, so it's pretty strong. See, shake test. They're not coming out. They got a strong magnet in there, so to hold them in there, so you don't worry about when you open them up, them falling out the case. They're held in by magnets, so that's pretty cool right there too. Close them up, let you know it's charging. See the LED in there? As soon as you open up, LED comes on, and you can see the little LED. You'll see the LEDs on here. Let me take them out. Take one bud out. As you can see on this bud right here, I know you can see it's like a little speaker grill right here. I guess that's for another little speaker grill, and probably a little mic right here. See all that on here, and they have sensors on there. I noticed when you take it out, that's one thing you could use one without the other without having to reset it. So you could use one bud by itself without having to reset it. And that's a good look too. I forgot what they call that mode, mono mode, whatever you call that mode. So you can use the buds independently, so you don't have to have both of them going in order to use them. Because a lot of times, you at work or something, or you doing work, you want to just have one earbud in, use one at a time, so you can hear your surroundings. So it doesn't have any ambient mode, anything like that. Like I said, basic earbuds, nice little style, little color, in small case. And I had my other. It has my Galaxy Buds around here somewhere, but I was going to show you what they look like, but the size comparison. But they're not too big, Like I said, fits in your pocket real good. Don't take up too much space. Pop them open. As soon as you pop them open, they pair up good. One thing, like I said, before I got too carried away, I was going to say is now I have the old Samsung Note 8, and I was trying them out with that. And I noticed the volume didn't get as loud with the my Samsung Note 8, and I've been having a little bit of issues with my Note 8 lately. As far as with the volume, whatever, because I basically been using just the Galaxy Buds with it. But I noticed it wasn't getting as loud because I tried these with my iPod and my iPad Pro. Man, my iPad Pro, there was no lag. Volume got loud. I mean, it's a crisp, clear sound. There's not a lot of heavy bass, but you could tell the bass is there, and the treble is there, the mids are there. I mean, everything is kind of balanced out evenly. So if you're a bass head, you might not be, this might not be the earbuds for you, but for most people, these will do the trick. It's like not bass heavy, not but you can hear the highs and the mids real good with it. So it's like an even balanced sound. They sound very good. Like I said, because I was wondering what was going on, so I tried it with my tablet, and that's probably what I'm gonna be using it with, my iPad Pro or my iPod. Yes, I still carry iPod. That's what I listen to most of my music on my iPod anyway. I don't really listen to too much music on my phone. So I always use it with my iPod. But these bad boys sounded very good, and I got up to a decent volume, and it wasn't blasting or nothing like that, but it does what it needed to do for me. So you know what I'm saying. So I was impressed with it. So other than that, you know, you're looking for some basic earbuds that's gonna do the trick, good sound quality. You know, you can listen to your music. Now it's not gonna be like that sound quality of like some Sennheisers or something like that. But you know, this is for under $50. I think this is a good buy. These are some good, decent earbuds. Now, and I like the colorway. I like the colorway. So I might end up giving these to the wifey. You know, they got that little. It's like a peach rose gold color, whatever. So yeah, these are pretty nice. I might end up picking up the black ones for me. So you know, or white ones. I'm not sure. But other than that, these are some pretty decent earbuds. You know, good connectivity. Sound pretty good. And now, like I said, I used them with my Note 8. And I made a phone call. They sound okay, whatever. But like I said, most of the time I was using them with my iPad Pro, and I wasn't disappointed. I was like, okay, these sound pretty good. I was like, yeah, these sound pretty good. So, like, if you're in the market for a cheap pair of earbuds, you know, no frills, no extras and everything, but you just to get the job done, hey, check out these MPOW M10s. Like I said, you can find them on Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description box below where you can get them from. But they're pretty decent. All right. I appreciate you guys taking out the time to check out the video. Like I said, these are some decent earbuds, and like I said, you won't be disappointed. And I'm kind of digging this color. I don't know. I might have to keep them for myself. You know. So if you're looking for a decent pair of earbuds, check out these earbuds. These MPOW M10 earbuds. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. You're looking for a pair of earbuds. They want to break the bank, save some money, budget friendly. Check out these M10s that do the job. You know, just for, you know, listen to music and all that good stuff, and you won't be disappointed. All right. Like I said, these are the MPOW M10 true wireless earbuds. All right. And I think, like I said, I think this is a rose gold or peach color. You know what I'm saying? To me, it looks like a peach color. But all right, that's been my review. I appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, notification bell to be notified of new videos. Tell a friend, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. And like I said, when we get that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'll be doing giveaways of some of the products I review right here on the channel. All right, once we get that 2,000 subscriber mark. All right, appreciate you guys taking out time to check out the video. And like I always say, treat people how you want to be treated. Treat people better than you want to be treated. All right. And the message for the day is, look out for one another, all right? Just don't be that person. Look out for yourself, but look out for one another. Look out for the people on your left, the people on your right, the people around. You know what I'm saying? You know, just don't be a selfish person. You know, look out for one another, all right? That's the message for the day. This has been your boy Mark for Loose Screws and Views, and I'm out. Drop the mic. Peace.